What?
I'm here to get your washing machine.
Dad!
What?
Someone's here to get the washing machine.
What? What?
Washing machine.
Yeah, can I help you?
He's at the door.
Jenna, Tina, cover the fucking roof. Cover it up, quick. Cover it. Wait, hold him, back him up. Cover it. The fuck is this shit?
He's coming.
What? What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here?
Yeah, can I help you? Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I need to.
What washing machine?
The one you guys can't make payments on.
Whoa, this shit broke down. That goddamn 2-3 months ago. I told you all about it. You should have come and got it then. I done threw it in the fucking dump.
It's not my problem.
It's in the fucking dump, I tell you.
I'm picking that damn washing machine.
I don't give a you ain't picking up a goddamn thing out of this motherfucking yard.
Yes, I am.
Fuck you, get out of that your goddamn truck. Get your goddamn, you get your goddamn truck and you get the fuck out of my yard.
Splash me. Dad, calm down.
Then fuck you. That water shit I threw in the dump. Go back and take your goddamn boss. They call me, they tell me, don't worry about it.
You got T on the camera.
I don't give a shit.
I want that washing machine.
Get in your goddamn truck.
No.
This is my goddamn property.
I want that
I want you fucking off
Don't
of it.
worry about it, Dad.
What?
He's just gotta get it.
I'll get him. You better get in that goddamn truck, you old motherfucker.
I can't until I get that washing machine.
You ain't getting it. You know what? Hey, I help you. You ain't getting it. That's yours. Pick it up, put it in your truck, get out of here.
Okay.
I ain't telling you again. Get out of here.
Where's that washing machine?
Get out of here.
Come on.
This is my yard.
Come on.
Get it. You look at
Dad. Dad, he's not taking it serious. You gotta just go.
Get out of my goddamn motherfucking yard. Get out of my yard.
Yeah.
Dad,
Get out of
please.
my goddamn yard.
Dad, he's gonna call the police. You just hit him with a bicycle.
I don't care. You ain't got proof of that shit. Get out of here.
Am I taking this stuff with me too?
I'm telling you, get your goddamn shit go. There ain't no goddamn washing machine. I ain't got no damn washing machine.
Dad.
No, it's in the dump.
The washing machine's in the laundry room.
It is the...
Are you gonna help me carry it?
All help.
Oh, hell no. I'll goddamn do it. Fuck you.
We gotta give it to him. He's
That's
got
my washing
paperwork.
machine. I took it to the dump. It's in the dump. Read my goddamn. The motherfuckers in the dump. Can you... I don't care about no goddamn papers. You know what you can do with goddamn papers? You can wipe the motherfucking ass with that shit.
Okay.
But the only thing you can do with it. Look out, I'm through. Goddamn. Get out of there. Get in your damn truck and go. Get in your motherfucking
Come
truck.
on, let's go get that washing machine.
Michael, you...
Dad, we gotta get it.
You're not getting that washing machine. Ain't in there no more. I went to the dump. That's where I bought a goddamn Salvation Army.
You probably have to bring the police.
Fine, get your goddamn bullet. Put the fuck out there. You ain't getting it. You understand me?
Dad, he's gonna bring the police.
Get in there.
We call the police.
I don't care who you call. Yeah, I tell you. Come get it, motherfucker. Come get it. I'm serious. You need to get it.
Hey, can you send some police cars, please? I'm having you possess a washing machine
Go to hell away.
Okay, thank you.
Private property. Private.
We'll be here in a minute.
Oh, wait. I ain't gonna be here. Fuck you. Get out of here, Michael.